Could the stunning blue lobsters in Devon and Cornwall waters be more common than we've been led to believe? For years, these vibrant crustaceans have been hailed as a once-in-a-lifetime find, with odds of spotting one estimated at a staggering 1 in 2 million. But here's where it gets intriguing. Scientists and hatchery experts are now challenging this long-held belief, suggesting that these electric blue wonders might not be as rare as we thought. And this is the part most people miss: the science behind their striking color and the factors that could be making them more visible. The mesmerizing blue hue of these lobsters isn't just a quirk of nature. It's the result of a fascinating interplay between two key compounds. According to Prof Jamie Stevens of the University of Exeter, the color comes from astaxanthin, a red pigment absorbed from their diet, and crustacyanin, a protein that binds with astaxanthin to produce a blue hue. In most lobsters, this combination results in a muted blue-green shell, perfect for blending into the seabed. But when the balance shifts, whether due to genetics or environmental factors, the color can become dramatically vibrant. And here's the controversial part. Some experts argue that this shift might be happening more frequently than we realize. Prof Stevens explains, when we talk about blue lobsters, we're often seeing extra blue lobsters, those with a genetic mutation causing an overproduction of crustacyanin, giving them that electric blue appearance. But what's causing this mutation to appear more often? Could it be something in their environment? Or are these lobsters simply better at surviving and passing on their genes? Weston, a senior hatchery technician at the National Lobster Hatchery in Padstow, Cornwall, has observed something equally puzzling. Lobsters raised in captivity often hatch with a vivid blue color, but when released into the sea, they darken to a more natural shade. Strangely, when brought back to the hatchery, they lighten again. Weston suspects this could be due to factors like light exposure or dietary differences. For instance, lobsters in captivity might have less access to astaxanthin-rich food, allowing the blue crustacyanin to dominate. This raises a thought-provoking question. Could similar environmental changes in the wild be contributing to the rise in blue lobster sightings? Fishermen are indeed reporting more blue lobsters, though scientific samples haven't shown a dramatic increase yet. One theory is that the mutation is being passed on more successfully, as these lobsters survive and reproduce. Ben Marshall, head of production at the hatchery, notes, it seems they may not be as rare as we thought. If they were truly 1 in 2 million, we'd expect to see only one blue lobster every 2 years in Cornwall, given the annual catch. But we're seeing more than that. Historically, brightly colored lobsters were believed to be more vulnerable to predators, especially when young or molting. So if their numbers are rising, what's changed? Prof Stevens suggests it could be fewer predators or better camouflage in new habitats. However, he dismisses a link to climate change, stating the genes controlling the blue color don't show any relationship with climate trends. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. Could we be underestimating the role of environmental factors in this phenomenon? Beshley Poole of the South Devon and Channel Shell fishermen points out the need for a recording scheme to track these sightings more systematically. The last known catch of a blue lobster in South Devon waters was just 12 months ago, adding to the growing curiosity as researchers dive deeper into genetic studies, environmental monitoring, and collaboration with fishermen. One thing is clear: the story of the blue lobster is far from over. What do you think? Are blue lobsters truly becoming more common, or are we just noticing them more? Share your thoughts in the comments. This is one debate that's sure to spark differing opinions.